Now that we've understood how the range bars work and how we use them, let's go over another advanced technique, which is called entering on pullbacks. So, how do pullbacks work? Now, let's say that we have already started a reversal. The market might actually give us what's called a pullback. So, let's say we missed the reversal. So, for example, right here is a great example of the pullback that we're getting. We're in this massive downtrend, we got this reversal. Let's say we weren't able to catch it near the bottom of this reversal. Now, even though the market did go up, right here, the market is giving us another pullback, which means we're able to get a great entry near the bottom of this reversal so that we can enter a trade even if we missed the initial reversal. So this right here is what's called a pullback. So we would be entering a buy trade right here and then setting our stop loss and take profit. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the audio signals. So, the audio signals are a completely custom signal set that we've developed. And basically, what it consists of is up to 70 to 75 different indicators that we've programmed at various parameters. And once all of these indicators come together, they trigger an audio signal. And the way to turn the audio signals on is by hovering on the bottom left side of the stream. For example, I'll zoom in here so you can see on the bottom of each stream, there's an unmute button. So if we click unmute, and always you want to make sure that the live button is red. If it's not, you can click it, and now that live button is red, which means that you're always looking at the latest and live range bars. Now, the way the audio signals work is once all of those indicators come together, they will give an audio alert saying, for example, buy now Bitcoin or sell now Tesla or buy now gold. Now, what we want to do is use these audio signals as a confirmation. So, what we do is we would see, for example, right here, we're in this downtrend, we're getting a reversal. So, we're seeing the green candle. And then let's say we hear a buy now Bitcoin audio signal, that is a confirmation on top of the reversal already. So the reversal was the first confirmation. Then we got the audio signal that also said buy. So that's a second confirmation, which is going to increase our chance of having a successful trade. So that is how we use the audio signals, and that is how we have built the audio signals.